Hey traders, welcome back. It's Kenya with BK Trading Academy. Here's an update on EURCAD. I'm going to link my previous analysis below so that you can understand exactly how this pair has been moving over time. It is now at a significant area of value that I'm interested in and a great opportunity I feel we have going into the new week next week. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'm on the monthly time frame, and one thing you'll notice is that we are in a downtrend. We have a market that is giving us lower highs and lower lows. So we have a high here, we have a low, we have a lower high, and we can continue to follow the structure. So we have a lower low, and you can see that the market has come back to retest a previous structure that was recently broken right here at 1.46. So we got double wick rejection at this level, started to see the market push downward. And because of that, we know that on the monthly, we are quite bullish, but we've been in a correction, as you can see on the monthly. So on the lower time frame, you'll see this bullish trend more intact as we move down. On the weekly time frame, now you can see where we were in a downtrend and we broke above this previous high here. The market continued to push higher. We then went and formed a resistance, as we mentioned on the monthly, at 1.46. And for quite some time, the market has been moving sideways. So we definitely want to be mindful that this is serving as our weekly high. And notice the last few times the market has come to test this level, we failed to break higher. And now we are getting a bearish engulfing candle. So if we go ahead and clone this zone here, what you'll notice is that the price is moving into a significant support level on the weekly. So here is our weekly low, and this is our weekly high. Now, if we move down to the daily time frame, you will see that price action moving into that level. So because the price has dropped quite a bit, so even from the last 24 hours or so, we've seen the price drop about almost 200 pips. So after a significant move like this, and definitely with the price coming into a major level, you can definitely expect for some type of buying pressure to come in at this level. So what I predict right now, notice we have a bearish engulfing candle on the daily, and we know from the monthly that we have strong rejection at that monthly level. So I believe that EURCAD is going to continue to push down, especially because bulls have struggled to break higher above 1.46. So what can we expect? I believe that we can expect a bounce from this level here. So a bounce, taking this to about, I would say 1.43, 1.4370 or so. You'll notice that this area here is also previous structure where it was support and provided a rejection to the upside. It was resistance. It was also support, provided a rejection to the upside. And now I expect for this previous support to become resistance, where we will see the market possibly continue to make lower highs and lower lows. So going into the week, here is your opportunity. This is your support buy zone here. Now it's Friday and the price is still declining. So you probably want to wait until Sunday. If you want to place a position now, you can. I don't know what the market is going to continue to do today. So you want to be very cautious buying and selling on Friday. What you'll typically see is whichever way the market moves on Friday, that's where it continues to go. But this is going to be your support buy zone that you definitely want to pay attention to. And I would take this back to about from the support all the way back to about 1.43 for about 100 pips. Now, one of the things that we can do, since we have an impulse to the downside, we could take our Fibonacci retracement and we can measure from the high of the impulse to the low. Now, it hasn't started to reject just yet, but notice that if I stop just there, we can measure. And if I just kind of line this up with the 618 and 50% fib level, which is our sweet spot, you'll notice that this also aligns with our previous structure. So notice here that this was our previous support where the market broke. And I told you that I expect for this to become future resistance and continue our move to the downside. So that is my analysis on EURCAD. Pretty quite confident in this setup right now because I've been waiting for it for some time. I actually kind of pulled back from this pair a little bit after I profited so much with it, and I've been waiting for it to get back to this area. So for now, we will monitor for the buy off of this level. And after we've achieved our target from this move, I will come back to provide another update. If you are new here, be sure to click follow on our profile. You'll get these ideas delivered straight to your inbox. Also, check out our Telegram below for more great stuff. And I will see you guys in the next trade idea. Thanks so much for watching.